sun still sets on the water the same, but it don't feel right without your name. The tide rolls in, then pulls away, just like you did that day. Your shadow's still here in every room, and laughter echoes in the afternoon moon. I reach for you in the middle of the night, but you're not by my side. We used to talk about forever, now forever feels so far. How did something so strong fall apart? Where did our love go? Was it lost in the wind that blows? We were fire, we were gold. Now I'm standing here alone. If love was meant to stay, why did you walk away? Tell me, baby, I need to know. Where did our love go? The rain falls all on this broken roof. Every drop just reminds me of you. Every day, every word you say, every promise left unsaid. We had dreams bigger than the sky. Now all I do is wonder why. Was I not enough for you? Or didn't we just say too soon? You said we faced the storms together, but you left me in the rain. Now I'm holding on to the pain. Where did our love go? Was it something I'll never know? We were young, we were strong. Now I'm learning to move on. If love was meant to stay, why did you walk away? Tell me, baby, I need to know. Where did our love go? I still see you in the sunset glow. I still feel you when the cold winds blow. If I could turn back time somehow, I still choose you now. Where did our love go? Was it something we let go? We were fire, we were gold. Now I'm left out in the cold. If love was meant to stay, why did you walk away? Guess I'll never really know.